Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share an incredible experience that I had back in December 2023 during the harsh winter. Every morning, my friend and I used to walk through the fields, enjoying the serene surroundings. One day, while walking near a waterlogged area in a land of crops, I heard some unfamiliar bird sounds. These areas are often called vernal pools, which are temporary pools of water that provide habitat for distinctive plants and animals. I told my friend, "It sounds like a new bird is visiting our area." This was very exciting for me because I had been hoping to see and photograph some new birds. As a nature lover and bird photographer, discovering a new species in our area felt like finding hidden treasure. That day, I went a little closer and sat beside the mud, hoping to get a better look, but unfortunately, Little Ringed Plover showed discomfort and flew away. I waited for about 30 minutes to an hour, but the bird didn't come back, so we went home. I noticed that bird was coming to feed very early in the morning, around 6:30 a.m. or 7 a.m. The Little Ringed Plover is known for its distinctive yellow eye ring, agile flight, and preference for nesting on gravelly or sandy shores near water. Its characteristic behavior includes running quickly across the ground in search of food and using its camouflage to blend into its surrounding to protect itself from predators. It typically feeds on insects, worms, and small crustaceans, which it finds in shallow water and mud flats. So, the next day, I started going to that location daily. I was so passionate about this bird. I had never felt such dedication before. For about 3 or 4 days, I walked through the mud, determined to get a picture of this bird. It was challenging, but my passion kept me going. On the 5th day, I went very early in the morning and sat quietly, waiting for the bird. The Little Ringed Plover would always visit with another bird, a Temminck Stint, which was also a lifer for me. I was sitting near them, praying they would come closer. To my delight, the birds came closer than I ever expected. I finally got my desired shot of the Little Ringed Plover. It was a moment of success and joy for me.